Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Fula Kamara. Today we're in chapter 20, which is managing receipts and bills. Adding bills and receipts to QuickBooks Online. The receipt tab in the banking center is the hub for adding and managing bills. Users can upload bills, whether be it in PDF, PEG, GIF, or PNG format in multiple different ways. Uploading a file. So we can upload a file to QuickBooks Online. Let's go to QuickBooks Online and see how this is done. So to upload a file to QuickBooks Online, we have three different ways of uploading files to QuickBooks Online. We can upload from computer. We can also upload from Google Drive, and we can also upload through forward from email. So to upload from a file, you can simply just select, just like uploading any file to a website. So the quickest way to upload a file, you can either drag and drop it here. Let's say a receipt, for example, you can either drag and drop it, or you can click on this icon and then select the file that you wanted to upload. Here we have it. So in the for review section, this is where, when you upload a file, this is where you can find the file you've just uploaded. Then you can also upload from Google Drive. So if you click on Google Drive, it will take you to where you can sign in. You can follow the prompt and upload the file or documents that you wanted to upload to QuickBooks Online. So you just click and then use your Google Drive account. You can use your Google Drive account email and then follow the prompt and upload the file. Then you also have the option to forward from email. You can upload the file through forward from email. So first of all, you have to set up the email address that you will be using. Let's say this is my email address. Then I can follow the prompt. Since this is the sample company and I don't want to like set up my email, but once you enter the email address, you click next, you follow the prompt. It will walk you through the process of setting up, but you can only do it if you are the admin. Only an admin can register a custom email, and there can only be one active custom email per company. So to specify the users can email a receipt. They can select manage forward in email. Then they can use the slider to give access to existing users as well. So that is after it has been set up. But most of the time, I don't use the forward email because there are way better ways to upload files than to forward it. But I just wanted to let you know that this is also an option to upload files to QuickBooks Online. After you've uploaded the files, you also have the option to upload files through the mobile app. The QuickBooks Online mobile app is a handy tool to upload receipt as well. Using the QuickBooks Online mobile app, you are able to record transactions. You are able to record receipt, sales receipt, expense, mileage, track mileage, and the invoices. You are also able to snap receipts, like by clicking this. After you've snapped the receipt, you can select use this photo. It will be uploaded to your QuickBooks. The QuickBooks Online mobile app and the QuickBooks Online web synchronize seamlessly, so you are able to access whatever information you have on your mobile app. You can also access it on the web. So that's just a handy tool there that will help you to streamline your recording of transactions on the go. Reviewing, matching, and adding bills and receipts. So once the bills and receipts have been added to the QuickBooks Online, they appear in the for review section of the receipt tab in the banking center. So once you go to the banking center, so just one quick note, QuickBooks has made some changes to the QuickBooks Online dashboard. So now this used to be the banking center, but now they call it the transactions. So in the transactions, it's there you find the bank transactions, app transaction, receipt, reconcile, do app transactions. Then it is this same place you find the chart of account. The chart of account used to be in the accounting section. So this is the accountant view, which has been modified, because previously we had business view and accountant view, but now QuickBooks is trying to roll over these changes. So we'll be having the accountant view as the default view, which is easier to navigate because of they want to streamline the navigation process, because the business view, not a lot of people are using it, and it, of course, it's kind of confusing a little bit. So this is a very streamlined, this is a streamlined view. So here, if you go to transactions, you can see receipts. This is where you upload receipt. After you've uploaded the receipt, you can see the receipt will be under the for review. So in the for review, then you, on the other tab, you can see these are the reviewed receipts. So since this receipt is still processing, I can use the bank transaction feed, so as an example to walk you through. So you can see in the bank transaction feed operates similar. Once you've uploaded the receipt, you have the options to match the receipt. That is, if you've already recorded transactions relating to this receipt. Let's say this receipt that I've uploaded, let's say if there was already a transaction that was recorded, but it's just that it's still processing. This receipt is still processing for some reason. I don't know why, but it has taken longer. So once you've uploaded this receipt, you are able to match this receipt to existing transactions. Let's say you have a transaction, because this receipt is for $154 and 0.06 cent. So with this, if there was already a transaction that matched this amount, just like you have here in the banking center, you can see QuickBooks will automatically match transactions. We'll say match found. You can see some of them, it said two matches found. So after you've uploaded the receipt, you will get a pop-up like this. If there is already a transaction that match that receipt, then you can see there will be a match found. So if you agree with the match, then you can just select match. For example, so currently it's saying there is a match. The date here says August 9, 2023 for a $50, 55 twin. So we also have August 9, 2023. The payment was made. So then the twin, the transaction, it's saying 55 twin lane. So you see, this is a perfect match. So if we agree with that, we click match. So that transaction has been recorded. We are going to discuss the banking center. We have a separate topic on that. It's because I'm having issues with the receipt. That's why I'm just using this analogy to explain, because it operates very similar. So you can see categorize. These are the transactions that you've matched or added. You see? Then for the receipt also, so you can see after you've reviewed the receipts and possibly match them to other transactions, you can either select match from the action column or select the drop down next to the match, then select review to view the potential match first. So after you've found a match, you can review to make sure it is accurate. The match is actually correct. So if it is correct, you can click match, just like I did on the banking center. If there is no match, you need to add it manually by selecting the review. So once you've added the receipts here, you can look from the action column here. So from the action column, you can either select the match, or you can click on the drop down. There is a drop down here, which you click. Once you click that drop down, you can select the review to view the potential match. That is, if there is a match. So if there is no match, you can add it manually by selecting the review from the drop down, and add any missing details on the next screen. When done, click save and select create. So that's how you that's how you process receipts and bills. Please note that when using the forward by from email option, users can include multiple receipts as long as they are separate attachments. So let's say you have 5 receipts that you want to send. You have to attach those 5 receipts on separate attachments. That is, each receipt should have a separate attachment. You cannot combine all into one attachment. Like, for example, you put them in a compressed zip folder and just attach those 5 receipts. The forward from email won't work out that way. So you have to attach them separately. So each receipt should have its own separate attachment, and then send them through the email. So if there are more than one match or matches, if there are more than one matches, you or the client will have to review them manually and select the correct bill or receipt. To do that, just select view. That's the end of chapter 20. Please don't forget to subscribe, like if you like the video, and share, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new video. See you in the next video. Thank you.